Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Bro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you change payment method on Spotify 2024. So to change payment method on Spotify, at first just go to your Spotify app. Now from your Spotify app, click the top left your profile icon. Now click on settings and privacy, the last one. Now after that scroll down and click on about, the last option. Now here you can see again the last option is support. Just click the right side of the support. Now from here scroll down and in quick help the last option is update payment details. Just click on it. Now click on go to your account. Now after going to your account you will see something like this. I don't have this because I don't have the premium plan. And after that in the available plans option you need to click on change plan. And after clicking on the change plan you need to just give all of your card details and click on change payment details in the bottom this option. And after that you will be able to change payment details or change payment method on Spotify. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.